Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the sharpness of the resonance. Sharpness of the resonance, we draw the graph between the driving frequency f and amplitude that is shows by A. So here we write the graph between the amplitude A and driving frequency f. Here f is the driving frequency, fr that is the resonant frequency that is shows by f. R, what is the resonance frequency when a system act upon with a frequency equal to the natural frequency of the system. This frequency is known as resonant frequency f. R, amplitude is maximum at the resonant frequency fr. If we look in the graph, this is the resonant frequency. The resonance frequency with the amplitude of the curve is maximum. Now we discuss the definition of the sharpness of the resonance. Definition is the depletion of oscillating wave with respect to time is called sharpness of resonance. The sharpness of resonance depend on two factors. First one is amplitude. Second one is damping. Now we discuss the factor and which the sharpness of the resonance depend. First one is the amplitude and the second one is the damping. So here the A that is represent the amplitude, LD is light damping, MD is the medium damping, and HD is the heavy damping. So here is A shows the amplitude, LD is the light damping, second graph shows the medium damping, and HD shows the heavy damping. So first we discuss the amplitude on which the sharpness of the resonance depend. What is the amplitude? Height of a wave referred to as amplitude. We can say that sharpness of resonance is directly proportional to the amplitude. As amplitude increase, so sharpness of resonance increase. As amplitude decrease, then we can say that sharpness of resonance decrease. Now we discuss the damping. Damping reduce the sharpness of resonance and reduce the amplitude. A light damp system has a very tall and narrow resonance curve. A heavy damped system has a flat resonance curve. Now we show in the graph the heavy damped system has the flat curve and light damped system is the narrow and tall curve. So that is all about the sharpness of resonance.